Alright, so while installing SEO plugins in your website, make sure to configure them properly. If not, there will be a lot of extra things included in the sitemap, and that is not a good practice. I have such a case that you can see on the screen, and this sitemap has a lot of extra things and a lot of errors, and that is not a good practice, because when we included URLs in the sitemap, that means these URLs are on the priority list. And we submit the sitemap to the Google Search Console because we want the URLs in the sitemap crawled as soon as possible, because we want them to index. So as you can see, this is a post sitemap, pages sitemap, and these are blocks, products, product catalogs, and of course product tags. This should not also be included. And if I click on blocks, so you can see these things should not be included in the sitemap, because we as a webmaster or as an SEO do not want Google to crawl them and do not want Google to index them, because directly or indirectly these things are not beneficial for the users. And product tags, so these are the tags, and these also should not be included in the sitemap. If you want to include tags in the sitemap, you must properly do optimization of the tags, and then you can include it in the sitemap. And let me show you the errors. So in the products and in the product catalog, there are a lot of errors. So just post pages sitemap, and this is product sitemap. If I scroll them, so you can see tons of non-indexable URLs in the sitemap. I have crawled yesterday, and you can see this is just a product sitemap 1. And let me show you another thing. If I click on it, and these URLs are also chronicalized. That means this URL is on priority, and this URL is in the sitemap, and that is a worst case scenario, and that is very a bad practice. So this is product sitemap 2. If I scroll down, so you can see tons of non-indexable URLs, and product sitemap 3. So you can see the same things. So this is product sitemap and block sitemap and product catalog, and these are all non-indexable URLs. So that is why always remember, while installing SEO plugins, for example Yoast or Rank Math, make sure to configure them properly and do not include extra things that is not on the priority list in the sitemap. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new regarding technical SEO. So if you want to learn more, make sure to subscribe this channel. And if you have any question, make sure to write in the comment below. Thanks for watching.